Miller at MM 2026 in Milwaukee, and I'm here with Hannah from SMARACT, which means emerald in German. Is that right?
Yeah, you write it a little different, but yeah, exactly.
Okay, so tell me about SMARACT and what you guys do, what sort of products you guys have for the industry.
So we sell positioning solutions. We have everything from linear stages, rotary stages. We do multi-degree of freedom systems, and we customize everything. And our USP is that we are extremely compact, and our resolution is 1 nanometer. So that means the smallest step that you can make with our positioners is 1 nanometer.
1 nanometer is very small. So what kind of systems do these go onto? Like, who are your primary customers?
So we have different customers in industry and research. So if you think of universities, if you want to align a sample really precisely under an electron microscope, for example, or even a light microscope, you need our products so that you can position the samples really, really precisely and then move them around. And if you think in the industry, for example, in the semiconductor industry, if you do wafer probing, you also want to move the wafer, or fiber alignment, you want to move the fiber and align it really precisely, and this is where our products are used.
So do you have set products that are just, here's the product and you go use it, or are they customizable? Do people order specific things from you?
So one of our USPs is that we customize, and we can provide systems for different environments. We can do ambient, high vacuum, ultra high vacuum, non-magnetic materials, and then also we can do all sorts of things, how many degrees of freedom you need. Some people might need 6 degrees of freedom, some might only need 3, X, Y, Z, or a tip tilt. So we can customize it exactly so that it fits your specific application.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So if people are interested in contacting you, where do they find SMARACT online?
So this is www.smaract.com. And you can always drop us an email, reach out to us, and we're happy to help.
This is Eric Miller. We're still at M&M 2026. We got lots more to come. Check out Instructinate.com for all your cool electron microscope merch, and join the Step Club. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.